guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tay here, and I wanted to hop on and provide you with some quick cleaning motivation. My kitchen was a mess and it needed to be scrubbed down and my dishes needed to be washed and tidied, and I thought I would bring you guys along. I know that you probably have somewhere in your house that you need to clean up, so get up, put this on, and go ahead and get cleaning with me. It's so funny as I look at this. I'm like, you would think I had like 4 kids by the amount of dishes we use in a weekend, but honestly, it's kind of like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're always running with basketball and different things. So, it happens. And don't judge. Just, help me out by cleaning up with me. myself, I need to buy some splatter guards because when I cook, stuff gets everywhere, and I am cleaning my stovetop like all the time, and I just am tired of it. So I'm gonna pick up some splatter guards. If you have any that you are in love with, let me know what they are down below so I can go and check them out and get them for when I'm cooking. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down my kitchen table, and then I am done for this quick cleanup. I'm still using my Jaws glass cleaner because I'm still loving it, but soon, very soon, I will be breaking open that spray way. So let me know what cleaning products you love down below. Have a blessed day.